Benefits of hiking in the UK? Here's a sample. The UK is a hiker's paradise, with stunning landscapes and endless trails to explore. From rugged mountains to rolling hills, from tranquil forests to rugged coastlines, there's a hike for everyone. But hiking isn't just about getting out in nature. It has numerous benefits for both the body and the mind. Firstly, hiking is a fantastic way to stay fit and healthy. It's a great form of cardiovascular exercise that gets your heart pumping and your blood flowing. Whether you're walking up steep inclines or along a flat path, hiking burns calories and helps you maintain a healthy weight. It also helps you to build muscle strength and improve balance and coordination. But the benefits of hiking aren't just physical. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health. Walking in the fresh air and soaking up the beauty of the UK's countryside can help to reduce stress and anxiety. It's also a great way to disconnect from the stresses of daily life and enjoy a sense of peace and tranquility. Hiking in London Club is also a fantastic way to connect with others. Whether you're walking with friends, family, or joining a group, hiking provides an opportunity to bond over a shared experience. It's a great way to make new friends and create lasting memories. So if you're looking for a way to stay fit, reduce stress, and connect with nature and others, hiking in London Club is the perfect choice. With so many beautiful trails and stunning landscapes to explore, the benefits of hiking are truly endless. Get your hiking boots on and start exploring today.